goes to what's holding up.
Who's the supervisor?
With Mrs. Power.
All right, they need to come down then and supervise because this has been reset since July 20th.
Okay, pause for a second. Did you hear that? Significant media attention. Whenever that phrase pops up in court, you know things are about to get messy. But notice how the judge cuts right through it, saying the media doesn't matter. That's a huge legal reminder. Trials run on evidence, not headlines.
Where's the attorney on Fabian Cardenas? All right. What is happening with this case?
That's referring on this case. Let Mr. Barr know. Brittany Mitchell's handling the lead on this. He does have a pending, a new case pending, and still awaiting indictment of this case. It does involve significant media attention. So we're trying to reach a global resolution to this.
Okay, because I don't care about media attention.
Absolutely.
I'm going to make my ruling based upon what I have before me. Did I see the file on Fabian Cardenas, please? All right. So he has this case, which is, he's on, I guess, probation for evading. What is the new case?
It's an endangering of a child.
All right. So when are you all going to have that information? Because this motion to revoke, there is other allegations.
This is classic courtroom tension. The prosecution is stalling, talking about supervisors and pending indictments, while the judge is clearly frustrated. 4 months of waiting, that's a lifetime in the justice system. Would you have that much patience?
Why can't we proceed?
Your Honor, I've been made aware that prior to indicting this case, it would involve a conversation with our supervisor. I don't know if that conversation has been made or had been had at this point. So that's basically what's holding up.
Who's the supervisor?
With Mrs. Power.
All right, they need to come down then and supervise because this has been reset since July 20th of 2023. And how long has this allegation of endangering been out there?
May 6th, Your Honor. Yeah.
All right, so technically we've been waiting since May of 2023 for a supervisor. So that's May. I'm not even going to count May. June, July, August, September, 4 months. So I'm going to set this for a contested. It's going to be set in October, and it's going in October. So whatever supervisor is doing whatever, they need to do something by that time. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need an October date for a contested hearing on Fabian Cardenas. Okay, October 19th.
Very well, Judge. Thank
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
And when I said I don't,
And here comes the judge's mini lecture. I love this part. She reminds everyone that jurors are told not to rely on outside noise, only the courtroom facts. That's her way of sending a message. Stop dragging your feet. Bring me real evidence.
care about the media. I think media is great to keep citizens informed, but my decisions are not based upon popularity or my decision is not based upon whether a case is in the media or not. My decision is based upon whatever evidence is brought to me, and I make a decision based on that. That's why when you have jurors, you tell them all your evidence that you receive is supposed to come from inside the courtroom, not what everybody else is saying. All right?
Understood.
All right, so we'll give you a reset form for October 19th.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Understanding is that with regards to this case, there's going to be someone was going to look into whether or not mental health court would accept him.
Yes, Your Honor.
And
let me check on the status of that.
Your Honor, he did go through the evaluation process. He was accepted into the program. He was going to be housed, however, or staffed, as they say, staffed. I believe the district attorney's office did not accept the the case being moved to mental health court. That's my understanding, Your Honor.
All right.
I believe that's correct, Your Honor.
Whoa, plot twist. Mental health court enters the conversation. That's a big deal, because if accepted, it could change the whole direction of this case. But here's the kicker. The DA's office rejected it, and they didn't even give a reason. Why do you think they'd pass up a program designed to help?
All right. I don't know why they wouldn't accept you in the mental health court and you have mental health issues, but thank you. And they don't tell me a reason why they rejected you. They're just like rejected. I guess sometimes when they think things are a hard case, they're like, we're not going to work with it because they don't give me a reason why they rejected you. So, Mr. Torres Rivera, you have a plea bargain agreement with the state where they're offering you deferred adjudication. So I guess I'm going to have to work with it. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
So is calling 2023 CR 0789 State of Texas versus Juan Carlo Torres Rivera. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Ruben Murrah for the state.
Defense.
Armando Roman, Your Honor, for the defense.
And Mr. Torres Rivera, if you can unmute yourself, please. All right. And Mr. Roman, are you able to show your video or no?
Your Honor, I have it as showing, but I don't know why it's blacked out. I don't know if it's a problem with my camera.
All right. Let me stop your video on this end and then request that you restart it. Oh, do you have the slide on the top?
No.
No. Or the camera? Are you on a computer or a phone?
Computer.
Do you have the camera that you press down in the top and then it pops up?
No.
Yeah, he doesn't have any of that. We've reached the limit of our skills. All right. Any objection to Armando Roman appearing by video?
No objection.
Any objection to his client appearing by video?
No objection.
Any objection to Mr. Roman not having his video up?
No objection.
All right. So according to the plea bargain agreement that you entered into on July 11th, it was to a misdemeanor, assault, injury, family violence, household. You entered a plea of no contest. The state is recommending deferred adjudication. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
State?
Nothing. Yeah. Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
All right. Probation? No. I threw you off, right, by asking you. Because now we're going to have to figure out what services we can provide for Mr. Torres, because obviously he has mental health issues. Mr. Torres, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
You solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Lord, you can lower your hand and make sure you keep your voice up so the court reporter can hear. Could you state your name for the record?
Juan Carlos Rivera.
Mr. Rivera, do you have a place to live if you were released today?
Yes, ma'am.
Where would you be? Well, who would you be living with?
With my mom.
All right. Does your mom want you living with her?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you asked?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Who else is in the household other than your mother?
My two brothers.
And how old are they?
120, 115.
20 and 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
What's your mental health diagnosis?
I understand that, man.
Well, what are people saying your mental health is?
This moment feels raw. The judge is trying to get Mr. Rivera to open up about his mental health. Anxiety, depression, maybe more. Courts often struggle with these cases. Is this a criminal issue or a healthcare issue? That gray area is where a lot of justice system debates live.
My dad told me that I need help. My mom too. So
No, I mean, are you bipolar? Or is somebody saying you bipolar? Are they saying you're schizophrenic? What are they saying?
no, I said the anxiety and depression.
Okay. Have you ever been employed?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Doing what?
U-Haul,
I'm sorry, what?
U-Haul.
Okay. What does that mean?
U-Haul, Your Honor.
I mean, what does that mean?
Cleaning storage.
I'm sorry, what? Doing storage?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what do you do with storage?
Cleaning
How far did you go in school?
to graduate.
All right, any other questions from anyone?
Not from the state.
Mr. Ramon, any questions?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, I'll sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, anger management. Probation, if you could do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider with regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, field visits, and the field visits will be in place until he gets a case manager from Center for Healthcare Services. So there'll be field visits one time every 2 months. Probation, is there anything else?
Your Honor, can we do a, I want to do a paper call.
Yes. And a MIC referral. All right. Did you want that in custody or out of custody? All right. That'll be a MIC referral out of custody. Mr. Rivera, if you do not make these appointments, what's going to end up happening is a warrant could be issued for your arrest. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
No, ma'am.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. I am going to place you in breakout room number 1. Mr. Rivera, from here on out, communication is very important. If you have a question about something, if you feel probation is not addressing that, you can always come to the court. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to move you to breakout room number 1. How old are you?
22.
Here's where the judge gets real. She's not just talking law, she's talking life. What are you doing with your future? That's tough love. Honestly, moments like this blur the line between judge and mentor. Do you think that kind of advice sticks? Or does it go in one ear and out the other?
You're going to have to start making better decisions in your life. You understand? What are you doing with your future?
I'm just working. I'm working at a restaurant, so I can take over the family restaurant in Arkansas.
Sorry, do what?
Oh, my bad. Currently working at a restaurant. So
No, your mistake, not my bad.
My mistake.
Okay.
I'm currently working at a restaurant to build my background, so I can take over the family restaurant in Arkansas.
All right. So there's a family restaurant in Arkansas? And what type of food do they have?
Barbecue.
Is it good barbecue?
It's family would love it.
I would love it.
It's Arkansas barbecue though, isn't it?
Okay, so are you planning on going to live back in Arkansas?
And 6 more months of the job I'm at, so I can build my experience.
Why are there no restaurants in Arkansas to build your experience?
My cousin wants me to do it down here. He just doesn't want me to go all the way up there and then be like, oh, I don't love it anymore. And then just come back for no reason.
All right, and is this your first cousin?
Yes, ma'am.
And are your parents aware of this? Where are your parents?
My mom's actually at work right now, but she's aware of it.
Okay, and is she in San Antonio?
Yes.
So all your other families here in San Antonio?
Just my grandmother, my grandpa, and a few of my aunts.
Okay. How far did you go in school?
I graduated.
All right. You know, they have plenty of classes that you can take at San Antonio College, Monte Vista, all these different places to give you a little bit more background in restaurant business. And I think they have some classes that are free. So you wouldn't be in any debt and you'd have more knowledge.
Definitely look into it.
We should Google that.
Yes.
Sounds
Okay.
good.
All right. Well, we'll see you back on October 19th. Just sign the reset form and you're excused.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.